Hi there, I'm going to be giving just a short tutorial on how to set up effectively what is Shadowplay for FACEIT servers in CSGO. This is not actually Shadowplay, but it's the closest thing you're going to be able to get, and it's pretty easy to set up. A friend of mine, Evan Kieran's, showed me a lot of how to do this, so I'm just recording a small tutorial showing how to do it. It's simple enough. You're just going to need to download OBS. Now, I'm not using Streamlabs OBS, I'm just using regular OBS, but you can probably use Streamlabs OBS as well for this because they're more or less the same program. First off, you're going to want to create a scene. Now, I'm currently recording my screen using OBS, so I can't do that. But you'll just create a scene which is specifically a game capture, not a window capture. Your game capture is then going to be set to capturing CSGO, and that's basically it for that. Next up then, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your advanced audio properties, and you're going to have your desktop audio and your microphone audio. Now, if you are happy to edit in dual channel audio, feel free to copy my settings here. You are going to be having your desktop audio on track 1, and you can change this to 2 if you like. I was messing with my audio settings, and make sure all the rest are unticked. By default, all of them will be ticked. If you would like to edit in single audio channels, in case your video editor supports that, then just click the same audio channel in both of them and uncheck whatever else is here. But I use 1 and 3, so I will leave both of those on. The rest of this you can leave untouched, unless you want to like boost your audio in either department. Next up then, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to output, change your output mode to advanced, and then you will have a section called replay buffer. You can then enable your replay buffer and set a time. So I have it 180 seconds, which is 3 minutes. And then you're going to want to go to recording. So recording then is going to be what is effectively your replay buffer. I record in 1440p. I have a bitrate of 20 megabit per second, constant bitrate. You'll want your GPU to be 0, as that's your just main GPU, and I left B-frames at 3, which is the default. Set audio track to be the numbers that you set in your advanced audio settings, so if it's 1 and 2, then just check 1 and 2. If you only have a single audio track, then just set it to 1. Make sure the encoder is on NVIDIA encoder, and rescale your output if you want. The rest of it you can leave as fine. Then all you'll need to do is click Start Replay Buffer, and that means then it is now running in the background, recording whatever is set here. You can then click this to save a buffer, or if you want to have a hotkey, which I'm sure most people do, you can have Save Replay. So this will then just save it in whatever your output folder is for recording, and it'll be called Replay. So mine is on F8, so if I want to save a highlight, I just hit F8, and it saves the last 3 minutes to my videos folder or anywhere else that you want to save it. This, as far as I know, will work with any game. This works with desktop capture and is a highly versatile way of saving different clips from games that have happened if you don't or can't use Shadowplay. That's pretty much all from me. If you have any questions, feel free to just comment and let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching.